Tell us about your military background and your focus on public safety.
It's an eclectic kind of background, a little blessed. What I've enjoyed in the military is the camaraderie. When I first enlisted as a military police officer, I got to learn to work as a tight team and as a leader through Officer Candidate School, and then became an aviator where I flew helicopters overseas and here at the U.S.
How do you apply that experience working for D-Fend Solutions?
Working for D-Fend Solutions was an easy fit. I think we always look for a purpose on how we can serve our friends, our family, how we can serve our country. This is saving lives. You know, it was a product that works. It works well. It's been tried in battle. It's working in peacetime environments where we have a lot of threats like critical infrastructure and airports. So it gave me a good purpose beyond working with the team in the Army. It allowed me to kind of expand all the things and lessons I learned through the military and apply it again through the corporate world.
What have you been hearing and talking about here at AUSA 2024?
Yeah, I think honestly the top conversation that is on everybody's mind is Counter-UAS. The threat that we see drones in Europe and in the battlefield, but we're also starting to see actors here in the United States use them in nefarious ways, illegally, and in ways that can actually hurt or kill somebody. So again, we're trying to enable the Army and other military units to be able to use this system across the U.S. as well as in combat, and be able to support as a whole the community.